Hey folks, I'm your host Sandeep and welcome to Crack Computers. First of all, I like to thank my viewers and subscriber. Guys, if you like the video, make sure to comment, like, share with your friends. Okay guys, and thanks a lot guys for your support. I like to make more videos. You guys just keep supporting me. Watch the channel, make sure to subscribe, tell your friends about the channel and let it grow. So guys, today's topic is conditional statement in C programming, and there are two of them. Okay, in C there is if else statement and a switch case statement. So we are not going to learn switch case today. Switch case will be in a later video. So today's topic will be if else. So let's kickstart with if statement. What is if statement? Okay guys, so basically let's say you want to create a dating website and you don't want to let any under 18 people to enter your website. So what you're gonna do, you need like a condition. So that's why if games, I'm just giving example. So you might want to just like see this code. So how we're gonna do this, we're gonna take a variable, say age, and sorry guys, and we are gonna say enter your age. Scanf, like you guys know, we need to scanf to enter data from the user. So %use basically age is integer type, so that's why, and ampersand age. So guys, the next thing I like to show is the if statement. So if statement goes like this. You write if in small and bracket and then two curly braces for the enter if loop statement. If you have like single statement inside your if condition, then you can erase those curly braces, but if you have like more than one, then you have to give this one, just to tell the computer that all the statement belongs to that if statement. And if the condition is true, then we're gonna do everything inside those two curly braces. Okay guys, so for this program I'm like to let's check the age. If the age is greater than 18, we're gonna say welcome to the website. So how gonna do that? Age greater than 18, or let's say greater than or equal to. So that's how you write the greater than or equal to. Means if the age is 18 and older than 18, then they can enter the website. Okay guys, so we're gonna have a website, so we're gonna write printf just for the example. Let's say welcome to the website. Okay guys, so let's run this code. As you can see, enter your age. I'm gonna enter 15. So you can see I am not allowed to enter the website. There is no prompt. So now what you're gonna do is, let's see if the code is true or false. So run the code and enter like something bigger than 18 for like, what if I'm 25 years old? So say welcome to my website. So this statement is true and it lets you print out the statement. Okay guys, so now check if the input is 18. It's also lets you enter the website. Okay guys, so make sure to remember these little things in programming. Okay guys, so the next part I like to say is the if and it's else. So what if you have two condition, like if is 18 or old, then we are going to let him inside the website. But if he is younger than 18, what you gonna do? Let's say print something for him so he just don't get bored. Let's say grow up kid and welcome later. Okay guys, so let's run the code, compile. Make sure that if you have changed in your code, you have to like compile again and then run. Okay guys, so let's enter something like 12. So it says grow up kid and will come later. Okay guys, so that's for the if else part. Now I like to show something like you can write multiple if statement without any else statement. Like you can write, if you have like more conditions, so you can write, let's say age is 18. So let's say if it's for like 18 and I'm gonna check what is he, male or female, then I'm gonna say something else. So I'm gonna take a character type integer, let's say sex, and say enter your age and sex, and we are gonna take the both value. See, as you know that I've told you previously, and sex. Save always remember to save your code. Let's check the sex. Say sex equal to, let's say what if female. Okay, let's say f or small f. So for that, print something else, print f. Say wow, you are a beautiful lady. Okay guys, so save the code, compile and run. Say enter your age. Say I'm gonna say I'm 21 and the sex is male. Let's see what happened. So you can see what is happening is the first variable age is matching with this condition of this if statement, and it is printing that printf statement, whatever it says, welcome to website or whatever. But in the second if statement there is f, this needs to be f, but I'm male, so I'm print aim, but so the aim doesn't equal to f, so it's not working with this statement. That's like, you can write multiple if statement, one if, second, you have like multiple conditions, so you can write thousands, hundreds as you want. So let's see if it's true or false. So let's enter something like 18 and female, what it says. So it prints two different, let's say the first one is also matching, so 18, so it's print welcome to website, and the second one is also matching, it's also female, so it says wow, you are a beautiful lady. So it's when it's working. Okay guys, so let's say if you have like two condition, how you gonna write? This is not something like if you have like two condition, like you only gonna let them enter who are 18 and females or maybe males. Okay guys, so for that you cannot write the if statement here because that's like working differently. It's checking this one and it's checking this one, like totally two different part of code. Okay guys, so how we're gonna do this? This is called nesting. So nesting is basically a if statement inside if statement. You can write like thousands of if you have like multiple conditions. So what I'm gonna do is copy this code and let's say paste here, delete this part. So what is happening actually, if first of all it's going to check this condition, then it's going to print out this, and then it's going to check the second condition and it's going to print out this. So let's say save, let's put that statement inside here. So that's now makes sense because it has to check the both two is equal or not, then it's going to let you enter here. So compile the code and run. So it's demanding your age and sex. Let's say I'm 21 and male. It's not gonna work at all, none of this has matched. Like first let's see the 21, so the first condition is met as you can see here, but then it's check the second condition and the both printf statements are inside this condition, this if statement. So what is happening, it's when it returns something wrong, say no, you have entered aim, so aim is not equal to f, so you cannot enter the website. Okay guys, now I'm gonna like show you what if I enter the right one, say 18 and female. So it's showing both statements. So if you have like multiple conditions, that's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna write a if statement inside another if statement. So, okay guys, so you can like write else for this one also, else, and then you can write else for that one also. So this else is basically for this if, and this else is basically for this if. So what else statement does is it's looking for the closing braces of the previous if. So this else statement is not for this, because if you can see, this braces, it starts here and it ends here. Now you must be thinking it starts here and it could be end here, but no, as you can see, this if statement has also start, so it's gonna start and it's gonna end, then the else statement is coming. So let's say if you have something like, if he's 18 and f, then you say welcome beautiful lady, or let's say if he's enter aim. Okay guys, so how I'm gonna do it? So let's say printf, whoa, you are not a lady. Compile and run. So let's enter your age like 18 and aim. So what's gonna happen? Let's see. Say whoa, you are not a lady. So what is actually happening if you so after checking the first statement, it lets you enter inside this loop, and it's gonna check if you are male or female. So if you're not, then it's gonna print out this one. So you are thinking what happened if the first condition fails. So let's see what happened if you like, if a kid entered your website. So run this, and let's say my age is 12 but I'm female. What's gonna happen? Nothing's gonna happen, because inside this statement we have put nothing. So let's print something for the kids. Say hold on kid, you cannot enter here. Save the code, compile and run. So now I'm gonna put something like 12 my age and I'm a female. Say hold on kid, you cannot enter here. So what's happening is, so first of all it's checking the age. So the age is 12 as we entered, so it's failed this statement. And what is happening, it's gonna like ignore all of this part of code. Okay guys, it's gonna ignore that code, and it's come to this part and it prints this statement. Okay guys, so that's if else and nested if else for you. Now I like to show you a couple of like logical operator you can use. Like you can see, this is the operator, this is not a logical operator, but remember these operators, this is for checking two values is equal or not. So remember that this is the sign for checking two values is equal or not. Okay guys, and this is for greater than, this is greater than equal to, and for like less than, you're gonna like write this one, this is called less than equal to. Okay guys, and that's like basically these are operators you're gonna use. And there are some logical operators that I like to show you. Like you can do this whole code in a single line. So let's say remove this part of the code, we don't need that if statement, and I'm gonna show you this one. So what is happening here, this is called and, logical and. If you remember, like logical and is something, what is gonna happen is it's gonna check first this one, and it's also gonna check this one. So if the both condition are true, then it's going to enter inside this if statement. Okay guys, make sure to remember that. What is logical and does, this is say logical and. What happened is you have to get positive for both condition. Okay guys, so what this is logical and what is actually check is the both statement that you have put inside this if statement have to be true. Okay guys, so let's give you the example, like just logical and compile, run. So let's see if it's true or not. Let's say my age is 18 and I'm male. Say hold on kid, you cannot enter here. So what is happening, it's checking this if statement and it's not true. Okay guys, I have entered 18. Okay, you said okay that's true, but for this part it is not true, so you are not allowed to enter here. Okay guys, so that's logical and does, it's check both of the statement is true or not, and if it's not true then it's not gonna let you enter inside this if statement. Let's see I'm truth or not. I'm gonna put some real values like it's gonna match, let's say 19, and F say welcome to website, wow you are a beautiful lady. Okay guys, so that's how it works. Now that's for the logical AND. So what logical OR does, this is logical OR. Okay, this is called logical OR. So logical OR basically means that between these two conditions one have to be true. If one is true then it's gonna let you enter inside the statement, or else it's not going to enter the statement. So save, compile and run. Let's see, 18 and male. So as you can see I have entered 18. Okay, that's matched this condition, but male, that's not matching this condition, but still it's gonna let you inside this code because that's or basically means one, if one is true or the second one is true, first one is true or second one is true, that's the or. And in the AND case both have to be true, first and second both conditions have to be true. That is logical AND, and logical OR is one of them have to be true. Okay guys, so that's logical operators for you. So guys, you have seen the equal to statement where the both, like if you have entered something it has to be equal to the, you were checking the age, and in this case this is called not equal to statement. So if it is anything but 21 it's gonna be true and it's gonna be enter this if statement and print wow, but if it is 21 then it's gonna print hi. So let's see, compile, run. So let's put 12, it's a wow. So 12 is not equal to 21 and it's gonna print wow. So once more, you can enter anything, like what is not is 21, let's say print f, it's gonna print wow. So it's checking f is not equal to 21, that's true, and it's gonna print wow. So if you put 21 it's gonna enter that else statement and it's gonna print hi. Okay guys, so that's basically not equal to statement for you. So guys, the next thing I will tell you is else if. What is else if? So this is also a way of writing if and multiple if statement and multiple conditions. So let's say this is a marks system. Let's say there are 3 subjects and you have total. So if you like, first condition says if you got greater than 150 then we will say wow you are wow, and total marks is, I'm gonna show you total mark. So the next thing is else if statement, and that's how you write it, else if, okay, with a space, and you're gonna put the condition. So in this condition it says the total is have to be greater than 100 and total is less than 150. So basically 100 and 150, the marks is 100 and 150, we're gonna say whoa. And in the next thing we're gonna checking that if is the total is less than 100 and greater than 50, then I'm gonna say oh your total marks. And if it is less than 50, basically that's the else statement. So we're gonna say boo. So let's see what happened. Say first of all let's put some marks, say 88, let's say 80 and 60. Save it, compile the code and run. So as you can see it says you are wow and your total marks is 228. So 228 is basically greater than 150, so that's why it's a wow. So I'm gonna show you everything. So let's put some lower value, say first max is 8. Let's see what happened. Compile, run. So it says whoa, the second condition, and your total mark is 148. So that's the second condition is true, and it's showing that one. So let's see what happened if this happened. Compile, run. So it says the third condition is getting true because it is 76, which is between 50 and 100. And as you can know, the last, I'm gonna show like put really little values and compile and run the code, and 22, which is basically lower than 50, and it's gonna say boo. Okay guys, so that's you can do multiple condition if you have like multiple conditions, and it's gonna check one by one. So that's how you're gonna do basically if else and else if statement. You can do it by if else or multiple if statement, but this is the better way to do the thing. Okay guys, remember that. That's all for the if else part. And now to show you something extra, and that is called conditional operator, which is you can do it by basically not taking if statement. So let's just cut this code, and you can write conditional statement is basically like this. Let's say this is condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. So what is actually happening, if the condition 1 is true, then it's gonna do the condition 2. It's gonna like put everything that is condition 2, and if condition 1 is not true, then it's gonna do the condition 3. So let's say, so guys, let's see how it. So basically what is happening is if the condition 1 is true, then the condition 2 or whatever the print step is going to be, that's going to be the output, or else it will be condition 3. So it's basically like if it's true, then it's going to be this or this. So basically what we're gonna doing is taking the total marks and checking is it greater than 150. If it is true, then it's gonna print this or this. So let's compile the code and run it. So the marks are like 8, 8 and 6, and the total is obviously less than 150, so it's printing boo. So that's one another way that's actually is called conditional operator. Okay guys, remember this is just for like your knowledge, extra knowledge. And that's where we're gonna wrap up our video. So guys, thank you again. Make sure to watch my channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Check the description section for my Facebook page. If you have any kind of question, you can post there, and you are welcome to comment in the video if you like, dislike, whatever your comments are. And if you like this video, make sure to share with your friends. And that's all. Thank you guys. Bye. I will see you later.